Hi guys. Welcome to my channel Positive Thinker. This is my first video and join with us to today episode Nanotechnology. Okay, let's begin. A nanometer is very small. To be precise, a typical sheet of paper is 100,000 nanometers thick. Nearly 50 years ago, Richard Feynman gave a famous speech in which the idea of nanotechnology was first envisioned. In it, he famously asked, what would happen if we could arrange the atoms one by one the way we want them? It took 30 years for microscopes to be developed that allowed that groundbreaking vision to be realized, allowing scientists to both see and manipulate matter at the atomic scale. In 1999, President Clinton launched the National Nanotechnology Initiative, the first large-scale U.S. government investment in nanoscale science, engineering, and technology, a program whose budget has already tripled to roughly $1.5 billion per year. Despite this rapidly growing field filled with enormous promise, not to mention vast public and now private investment, even the basic definition of nanotechnology is still heavily debated. A number of widely varying definitions can be found depending on where one searches. For example, a quick Google search reveals enormous variations in something as simple as the size range that should fall under the label nano, from 0.1-100 nanometers to 1-1000 nm, in other words, 2 orders of magnitude of variation. If we turn to the press for a definition, we may find descriptions of nanotechnology such as the science of invisibly tiny things, while marketing firms may call it the technology of the minuscule. Moving on to Hollywood for the answer, one would find that nanotechnology is the stuff that created the Incredible Hulk and was also the main professional focus of Spider-Man nemesis the Green Lantern was a nanotechnologist. Of course, there are many more serious and useful definitions of nanotechnology than these. A simple working definition that I like, and one that appears to be gaining mounting consensus, is that nanotechnology is the purposeful engineering of matter at scales of less than 100 nanometers to achieve size-dependent properties and functions. The central points of a good nanotechnology definition are all represented in